Hi everybody, today I'm going to be going over the activity that I have chosen. It is called Acting Out Feelings. This is for grades preschool through kindergarten, and I do have some cards here that we'll be using. They have emotions on them, and what the students will be doing is they'll be picking out a card, and each card will have an emotion, and in that emotion that they get on their card, they'll be acting it out. So for cards that I'm not going to use, I do have quite a few, and I'm going to just use the four main emotions that I think are used a lot in this age range. But for what I have for cards that I'm not going to use are anxious, jealous, frustrated, and proud. The ones that I am going to use to start are excited, sad, angry, and happy. So to start, I would say, okay, friends, we're going to be playing a little activity. What we're going to do is we're going to get these cards. I have these cards here, and each of you will draw one at a time. And whatever you see on your card, you have to act it out. So I'm going to go first. So I'm going to not look. Okay, so I got my card. I'm going to put it face down so that nobody can see it because we want to try to guess what your emotion is. So I'm going to go first. Ready? Then everybody would guess what I was. Hopefully you would guess I was sad. And then we would go around the room and each student would pick one out. And they would act it out. I think the first 3 rounds we'd do it all together, and then what I would do is I would have each student pair up, and they would do it with a friend. And then at the end we would all reconvene, and if we kind of got all these down, I would go ahead and go with adding some of these in. They are a little more advanced, but I feel like if they've got these ones down, these ones would be a good one to add in to give some more challenging work for them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like this would be a really fun activity to do, especially with this age range. It is, there are a lot of emotions going on. You know, we have a lot of big emotions around this age, so I feel like this activity really goes good with the age range, the development that's going on, and it's fun, and we get to act. So that's really fun. Thanks.